All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we cover all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, from Dogecoin to Ethereum to Bitcoin to GPU mining. Today we're going to talk a little bit about Dogecoin. We're going to talk about our government, how they're paying people in cryptocurrency. That's right. Our U.S. government is paying some finder's fees in cryptocurrency. We're going to dig into that. If you can do me a favor and go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our up and coming videos. Cryptocurrency is in the news today. Everything you can think of. Burger King in Brazil is offering dog purrs for Dogecoin. We're going to be talking about Dogecoin a little bit today. What's going on with Doge? Why is it going up, up, up? There's all kinds of different things. Robinhood's a good app that you can actually track your cryptocurrency. Binance is another good app. With that, let's go ahead and see what's going on with our U.S. government. All right, our U.S. State Department offers to pay for crypto crime tips with cryptocurrency. So crypto crime tips with crypto. So let's take a look at this. It says the U.S. Department Rewards for Justice program has added cryptocurrency as its payout option in the first for the federal agents. The program offers a reward up to $10 million for information on cyber criminals, acting as their director under the control of former government and State Department. Thursday adding, the reward payments may include payments in cryptocurrency. Our own government is paying in cryptocurrency, and Burger King is offering to buy dog purrs in Dogecoin, and you can go on cruises with Doge. Everything you turn around, cryptocurrency everywhere. That's why this channel is here, to make sure that we're on top of what's going on in the cryptocurrency world. Also, a State Department spokesperson confirmed that makes it the first time in its establishment in 1984 that the Rewards for the Justice program has offered a reward payment in cryptocurrency. So, think about that. The cryptocurrency is now, the United States government is giving as an option to get your tips, rewards in cryptocurrency. Yeah, we're over here at the Dogecoin going to the moon. On the chain data and the trading volume suggests soon. What's going on with the Dogecoin? The cryptocurrency market has a wild ride through us in 2021 as multiple subsectors, including decentralizing finance, the tokens, NFTs, the small coins, layer 2 solutions, have seen the total value lock and coin prices skyrocketed to new heights. One of the biggest success stories of the year, that's right, you guessed it, is Dogecoin. Well, the Dogecoin, simply the joke of the cryptocurrency, has morphed into a darling of the cryptocurrency sector. Interesting, over the past month, the project again is gaining momentum, and several data points suggest for the Doge is becoming increasingly bullish. The data from the Market Pros trading shows that since hitting a low of almost 16 cents in July, the Doge has actually rallied to 120% gain to reach a super high of 35 cents August 16th, a 24-hour trading high. So the Doge got to 35 cents. Holy smokes. And it has jumped 63% to $8.6 billion. On the chain activity shows the increased use, the ability to attract new. Now, this is interesting. When you think about the Doge, and everybody's starting to know about cryptocurrency, and when they talk about crypto, you think about Bitcoin, you think about Ethereum. Well, Bitcoin is $46,000, and if Ethereum is $3,100, and the Doge is 25 cents to 35 cents, sometimes it's a little easier to get some Doge. Well, what does this say? The ability to attract new token holders is one of the most important factors for the long term of the cryptocurrency project, because the new users help to increase the token's overall demand. It is seen that the following tweets the chief economist of Dogecoin adopted has currently at its highest level since 2017. Listen to this. With new users have held the token for less than 6 months, currently holding 25% of the circulation supply. So new people that are actually buying the Dogecoin in the last 6 months, they actually own 25% of the market of Doge, people that are just getting in to the Doge. They've been talking forever how the Doge is going to keep going to the moon. With that, let's head over to the top 10. All right, we're over here at the top 10. I'm still thinking about the government paying tips in cryptocurrency. Can you believe that? I mean, cryptocurrency, you can actually check the box that you want to be paid in cryptocurrency. So over here at the top 10, Binance, Bitcoin is at number 1. It's at $46,221. It's actually up about 0.55% in the last 7 days. Ethereum is at right number 2. Ethereum is at 3174. Binance Coin, there's been a lot of talk about Binance Coin. It's moved up 20% in the last 7 days. So Binance Coin is at $423 a coin. Cardano, we've been talking about 888 and Cardano for the last few days here. It has actually moved into the 4th position for cryptocurrency, and it's actually up a huge amount, 44% in the last 7 days. I mean, that is just, that's 44% in the last week. Cardano, oh my gosh. Tether's right at number 5. XRP has a huge amount of gains at 46% in the last 7 days. XRP is at $1.19. I was just listening to somebody today saying that they entered XRP when they were around 60 cents. Well, guess what? I mean, XRP is on the up too, and it's included in the top 10. The Dogecoin is at number 7, and it's up 28% in the last 7 days. The Doge is actually at 32 cents, 33 cents. So, again, a month ago, the Doge was at 19 cents. It's at a solid 32, 33 cents. USD coin is at number 8, and Polkadot is at number 9 at a 27% gain. And SOL at number 10 here is, can you believe this? It's up 78% in the last week. It's at a price point of 71.82. The ticker is SOL. You definitely want to pay attention to this. It's actually broken to the top 10, and Uniswap actually moved down to the number 11. Where's cryptocurrency at right now? It's almost at $2 trillion. It's at $1.99 trillion, and it's down about 2.4% in the last 24 hours. All right, we're over here at Robinhood. We're going to check out a couple stocks real quick. So the Dogecoin right here is at 32 cents. It's at a huge high in the last week, actually in the last month. Dogecoin was at 19 cents, and literally right now it's at 32 cents. Right now we're holding about, well, we actually have 4,200 coins in our equity. All our coins are actually on an average of about 25 cents. So we have a little up right here, and we're actually up $294. So we have a little over 4,000 coins in Dogecoin. So a little Doge. Over here, we're moving over here to check out a little Ethereum. So Ethereum, well, Bitcoin is at 46,000, so check out Bitcoin. Again, if you go back to Bitcoin 1 month ago, Bitcoin was at 31,000, 32,000. 1 month later, it's at 46,000. They're talking about Bitcoin reaching crazy levels of 60,000, 70,000, eventually going to 100,000. So again, if you're an investor and you're actually checking this channel out, Bitcoin is one of the things we talk about. Ethereum, Dogecoin, a lot of XRP, ADA. This channel is for educational purposes only. So we do like to give us our opinion. And the couple of the cryptocurrencies we like, we always pay attention to the top 10. So we want to make sure you guys are paying attention to that too. The next coin we're talking about is Ethereum. And Ethereum right now, it had broke the 3,000 level about a week ago. It's at a solid 31.77. And where was Ethereum a month ago? A month ago, Ethereum was about 1,900. So from 30 days ago being at 1,900 to now it's at 3,200 in just 30 days. Remember we were talking about how you have to strap in because cryptocurrency is a wild, wild ride? Yeah, that's right. It's wild and crazy. It can go up, it can go down, it can go sideways. But cryptocurrency is here to stay. When your U.S. government is paying tips in cryptocurrency, I mean, okay, everybody's doing the crypto these days. All right, so with that, Dogecoin is going to the moon. Basically, we have the Dogecoin right over here. Again, we have the Litecoin that we just got. We have the Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cryptocurrency is here to stay. We definitely want to pay attention to a few different things. The nice thing I like about Robinhood is Robinhood can actually help you track your you know, what it was doing a month ago, what it was doing 3 months ago. Binance is another app that you can actually go on to, and you can track your coins and buy cryptocurrency. In the next upcoming episodes, we're going to be talking about mining cryptocurrency, what kind of GPU miners to actually look into. Is Dogecoin actually something that you may want to mine? Is there a difference between Dogecoin opposed to GPU mining? Again, Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. If you can go ahead and hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. With that, thank you for tuning in, and you have a wonderful day. Oh, don't forget to click right here to watch our most recent video so you can keep yourself up to date on the cryptocurrency. And again, have a wonderful day. Thank you.